Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to request a rating on Facebook Marketplace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now let me tell you, requesting a rating on Facebook Marketplace can be beneficial for building trust with potential buyers and improving your seller reputation. Ensure that the transaction with the buyer has been successfully completed and both parties are satisfied with the exchange. Alright, now for example, this is going to be go to your seller dashboard, and this is where you can find all the active listings that you have, even those are inactive. All right, you have like active and pending, to renew, and a lot more. All right, now I'm gonna click on the my listings here. You see there's a market sold, boost listing, and of course the ellipsis icon gives you more information here. I'm gonna click on edit listing. Now all I'm gonna do is open the transaction details for this specific sale if it's already been transacted. Alright, and look for an option or button that allows you to request a rating. Normally this option is usually available near the transaction details or within the messaging interface related to the transaction. I need you to click on the button or link to request a rating from the buyer. It's really easy because some platforms may have specific prompt or message that you can send to the buyer requesting them to leave a rating for their experience. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.